Hello everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at a SAC RS53S 20-inch planer. If you have any questions about any of the machines we have on our website, you can visit us at lmtmachinery.com, or you can email us at info@lmtmachinery.com. This is a, as I said, 20-inch planer. Came out of a school. The SAC, Italian-made machine. It was a 1999 machine. Serial number 99411. It is 220 volts with a 27 amp full load. She does open up to 12 inches. Quite a large opening. As I said, this came out of a school, so it's very clean, very little use machine. Powered up and down with digital readout. This is your slow up. Your separate motor feed works, inverter driven, so infinitely variable. Take a look at the top of the machine. It does have segmented chip breaker, segmented in-feed roll, a Tersa head, and 2 out-feed rolls. Very well built machine. There's the interlock. If you have the door open, she won't run. Let you take a peek underneath. Kickback fingers. Segmented in-feed roll. Segmented chip breaker. There's your Tersa head. Pressure shoe. And your 2 out-feed rolls. We'll fire her up here so you can see her run. You're up and down. Like I said, it does open up to 12 inches. This is your slow. This motor does have a brake on it, so when we shut it off, it'll ramp down a little quicker than most. There you can, the brake kicks in. Probably. Turn on the Feedworks. Feedworks is actually going. Slow it down. Crank her up. Again, if you have any questions on this machine or any other machines we may have, keep in mind we're always working on machines. I don't have everything on my website that I do have. I do try to post videos of the things I have in stock, but you can visit us at lmtmachinery.com. Thanks for your time. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Keep you up to date on the things I do post that I take videos of. I appreciate your time and have a great day.